everybody. It's your friendly neighborhood tech guy, Wyne, Tech Bytes. We got a Lenovo Chromebook, S330. So let me open this up real quick to show you what the problem is and what we will be working on today. So as you can see, there's a cracked screen right over here, and there's also some flickering. So the screen has obviously gone bad. So I'm going to take it out and put in a new one. So let's get into this. All right. So usually I always tell people to take the battery out, but you know, Chromebooks, from what I've seen, they're usually everything's built in. I thought I had gave this enough time to really let the battery die, but I guess not. So I'm just gonna flip it back over and then power it off, and then I'll start taking the screen off. So as you can see, the power button's right here. I'm just gonna do a force power off. And there we go. Taking out the monitor. So you always want to try and slip your hand on the side to pop it out a little bit, but actually I forgot my little blue gloves. For me, I find it easier to blow in them a little bit to make it help my hand slide inside real quick. Oh. So if you can see, I've already popped off this side right here, and then I'm going to work my way around the whole screen and pop it out. So you always aim, if you have a nail, it's better. If not, you know, you just gotta slowly do it, and you just keep on going like this until you hear the clicking sounds. You know, be gentle, because it is very, very frail. 21, is that a good word?
Yeah, it's very fragile.
Very fragile.
Isn't it like a thin plastic?
Yes. So, you know, it gets a little harder at the bottom. Oh, just put one back in on a mistake. You know? And, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So if you can see, came off perfectly. All right. So I'm gonna just put this to the side for now. Point out the screws we'll be taking out. So 1 screw, 2, 3, 4. I've never seen a monitor have more than 4 screws. So I've also never seen one that had less than 4 screws. Like in the last video, like I said, you always gotta have the right bit. There we go. Perfect size. Magnetic, so it doesn't go anywhere. So just a friendly reminder, you always want to have a container. I seem to have misplaced mine, but I have my friendly little assistant over here, Pusheen, who's gonna hold these screws for me. So that way I don't lose them. I did pick up from the dollar store recently some new containers, and they're magnetic. So that really helps when you put the screws in. You don't have to worry, like if you knock it a little bit, you know, it's not gonna go flying out. Friendly tip, if you wanna swing at the dollar store and you're looking for something, you know, to hold in anything metal. There you go, Pusheen. Thank you.
Well, Pusheen, the coaster, has a nice silicone grip so they won't roll away.
Yep. Also matches the background. There you go. Number 3. Pusheen, did you knock that over?
Good thing Pusheen has a fat belly.
Good job, Pusheen. Good job.
Don't judge them. Those are my coasters.
Mm-hmm.
Don't.
So then you use something to pop up that. lay the screen down. Okay, I need another piece. Where is it? There it is. So, put this over there. If you can see, there is a thin piece of tape right here holding this connector in place. So, I got a little flathead. I'm going to slide under it a little bit. Come on, baby. There we go. Ah, so it's up. All right. So I might have to move it out of the way a little bit just to make sure, because sometimes it has a little clamp that you have to really get up close into it to find. All right. So I was lucky. This was actually not one with the clamp. It literally just had to tug it a little bit. Maybe tug's not the right word. Just put a little force, just a bit, and just pull it right back. I used the tape a little bit to help with that, and then it came right off. So this is the old screen, you know, all right. So I'm going to bring out the new screen. Okay, so here's the new screen. All right, lay it down. I'm gonna bring it back to me once more, just to push it in. Sometimes this takes a little bit of work, especially when you have big hands like I do.
Say that again.
It took me a little bit, but I got it in there all the way. Put the tape back down, make sure to rub it down a little bit. Raise it up. Pop it into place. I'll use this to help me get it in. There we go. So you just want to make sure that these little holes are lined up properly. And they all are. And let's get to it. One screw. There we go. Nice and snug. Thank you, Pushing. Great assistance. I have great assistance. You always want to get yourself a 21 Gamers and a Pushing. Nice and snug. Snug. All right, my friend Pushing, you go sit over there. All right, now let's see if it makes that nice plastic peeling off sound. Ooh, no. This is the second one that has done this. You know, it doesn't give that new plastic peeling off sound. I'm going to connect the frame back. So I feel it's always best to probably start at the bottom, because they have the I feel the bigger clamps that really hold it into place. As you hear, you just make sure you hear all the snapping as you're going around, and then once you get to the top, you just go back just to make sure. You know, you always want to double check. What's that saying? 21? Cut.
Measure twice, cut once.
Yeah. Man, I am not good with these sayings.
We could blame it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that.
Screen's
Nice,
beautiful.
crisp new screen. Beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm gonna close. So guess what, 21?
What?
Merry Christmas.
Was that the surprise?
Yes. So I was able to get a hold of this. The person didn't want it anymore because the screen was cracked. So I was like, you know what? 21 Gamers has said that she's wanted to dabble around with a Chromebook before. So I was like, this is about a year old, maybe 2 years old. So I feel like it still has some good life into it. I'm just going to do a factory reset on it, and then it will all be yours. But yes, so comment below, Merry Christmas, 21 Gamers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, everyone. Have a great day and have a Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays, happy new year.
Happy holidays, Happy New Year's.
I think everyone's ready to say goodbye to 2020, so as many happy New Years.
Okay, Happy New Year's, because you're right, because I'm done with 2020.